Hello everyone, I am Purvi Kelkar, CS Executive, All India Rank 13. I cleared both the groups in my first attempt and got exemption in 4 subjects. Talking about my journey, basically मैंने seriously पढ़ना start किया just 4 months before my exams. But वो 4 महीनों में I studied like very seriously. I used to study for 13 hours with a sleep schedule of like almost 4 to 5 hours ही सोती थी मैं सिर्फ. So the thing is that I don't recommend this thing, but because I didn't have any other option, so I had to do that. So this was my study schedule, like studying for 13 hours and like covering all the things with some writing practice every day. So this was the thing. Secondly, since I am naturally more comfortable with theory subjects, I made sure that कि मुझे प्रैक्टिकल सब्जेक्ट्स लाइक CAFM एंड टैक्स अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा. सो व्हाट आई डिड वाज कि वेन एवर आई स्टडी थियोरी सब्जेक्ट्स एवरी डे, लाइक सपोज रात को आई यूज टू स्टडी CAFM और टैक्स, लाइक प्रैक्टिस अ सम एवरी डे फॉर 1 hour, लाइक एवरी डे. सो दैट हेल्प मी कि मेरा फ्लो अच्छा बने विद दो सब्जेक्ट्स ऑल्सो. Tips or advice that I would like to give to all other aspirants is stay consistent. आप like study every single day. Even if you study for 2 to 3 hours, it's important कि you maintain that flow. Second is to stay calm. It's very important कि आप अपने mind को calm रखें, क्योंकि even it happened with me कि I used to get thoughts like what if I fail or all these things. But then I used to tell myself कि this is just an exam and not the end of life. So it's important कि your mind is very calm. And now coming to the most important thing, that is my experience with study at home and Raj Agarwal sir. So मेरे journey के start में basically I had almost zero confidence when it came to subject like tax. But then gradually like I started to search for tax subject के ऊपर videos on YouTube. And randomly one day I find Raj Agarwal sir's lecture. I started watching his lectures and gradually मुझे समझ में आया कि yes, like even I can attempt my tax paper अच्छे से. So like I'll always be grateful to Raj Agarwal sir and even Study at Home for providing such beautiful lectures. The clarity those videos had was amazing. एंड आई इवन टोल्ड माई पेरेंट्स कि अगर मैं पेपर अटेम्प्ट कर पा रही हूँ टैक्स का, तो वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ राज अग्रवाल सर की वजह से ही है, क्योंकि आई एक्चुअली रियलाइज कि आई वॉज गेटिंग माई कॉन्फिडेंस बैक एंड दैट इज ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ हिज लेक्चर्स. The way he explained each and every concept, it was so amazing. I basically watched his lectures for income tax, for GST and even for Customs Act. So this was my journey and my experience with sir and Study at Home. And now if I had to say something that would motivate all the other aspirants, or that would like some closing lines, so that would be believe in yourself. Because ये journey में बहुत normal है कि you doubt yourself, what if you don't pass or all these things. But it is important कि you have faith in yourself, and if you're consistent and if you believe in yourself, you can do anything. Thank you so much.